morning guys. Going fishing. Off-road guys. We're going off-road for the fishing spot. So look, we have our friend here, the real fisherman, my colleague. There we go. Good morning guys. We got the rods out. Yes sir. Good morning guys. Sun is rising. We have a super nice fishing spot right over here into the water. Yes sir. Ready. So got a nice fish right here guys. We're already catching some fish. We have a couple of fish still down there in those pools. It's going good. Ooh, my watch. Gonna try something different right now. We have a small fake fish right there. So we're the entire time fishing with crabs, rock crabs, some of the small ones, the small robekis, the yellow fish, or squid. The three main baits that we're using. Now I'm gonna try something different. Let's see. We're back at the bait guys. No fish on the jig, so change it up. Yes sir guys, nice fish right here. Yes sir. So guys, we're going to this next spot over there. We call it Blackstone Beach, right there. Nice spot. Let's see what we have there. Next spot guys, next spot. Let's do it. Epale. Good sized fish guys. Hey, take the boom. So guys, start cleaning those fish. Yes sir, couple more here. Cleaning them up. Epale. Almost had that in camera, huh? Making the knife sharp guys. So Rudolf, you like these fried?
Yeah, fried fish, man. Crispy, crispy, delicious.
Yeah, super nice. And these, we're gonna make some ceviche out of them. So I'm gonna fillet them up right now.
That is short.
Mm-hmm. Yes guys, finally cleaned all the fish. Now we're going slowly back home. So, and tonight we're gonna cook it up. So I will see you in a little bit. All the fish in here. Now walking back to the car. Super nice guys, on the way back home. Yo guys, so we left a rod at the fishing spot. Look at what this. We found it. Drove all the way back here. Hey, we were look, there's where we were fishing. We drove all the way from our house back. Hey, we found it.
We lost it, but we didn't. Okay.
We found it back, guys.
Hey.
So look guys, just made the food. I almost forgot to film this, so yeah, too bad. I made some ceviche, some fried fish, some baked fish in the oven. Hey, all in all, super nice.